Hi friends, today we will see how to generate the prime number using Verilog. This is the prime number generator code in Verilog. So we going line by line and explaining how it's work. So first we define the module prime number, and second we set the parameter our first number and last number. In between first and last, it will generate the prime number. Um, for the iteration, I am using ing, that is integer type, and from here we start the initial block. So inside the initial block, uh, I wrote for loop that iterate for the every number. So I is start from first and it goes at the last, and it will increment one in every iteration. And from the for the for loop, it is the beginning. Inside this, first it will check I is equal to 2. Prime 1 is not a prime number, so it will ignore. 0 is also not a prime number, so it will ignore. And if it is equal to 2, then 2 is a prime number, so it will display directly 2. And if if block is running, so else will skip. So this part will be skip and goes for the next iteration from here to here. And if I is equal to not 2, then it goes to else part. Else is begin here to here, else part is there. So this begin is a named block. Name of this block is state. For giving the named block, we have to use this colon. uh, this is named begin end, and this begin is start here, and end is here. So we can also write here state. So this is the named block, and inside the named block, if it is not 2, so then we have to check for more than 2, means larger than 2. So j is equal to 2 and j is less than I. Means I is iterating variable that will increment after every iteration. So j will less than I, and j will increment by 1 in every iteration. So for loop is begin here, and it in here. So this state is not this end, this is for this. So begin end for this for loop. Inside the for loop, I will check whatever the I value, the this station value, that percentage j, means that mode of j. If it is 0, means j divide the I value. This is the condition for the checking prime number. If j divide the if I mod j double is equal to 0, means uh, j is a factor of I. So it disable the state. What is the state? State is this begin end name. So it will disable this part. It will disable this part. If it is disable this part, then again it goes to for loop for the next iteration. And if I mod j not equal to 0, means I is not divisible by j, it means it is a prime number. So else if j plus 1, because here you can see uh, I am using condition j less than I. So if j plus 1 double is equal to I, means the last number, then it will display the I at the going till last. It is not disabling the state. So it is a prime number, so I displayed with this command, display command, and end. So here it end the uh, for loop, and here it end the initial loop. So this is the end module. Now we going to run this code and see the output. So first select the simulation tool. I am selecting Synopsys VCS and run it. You can see I am giving first number is 20 and last number is 100. So prime number will be between 20 to 100. So you can see I is equal to 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, like that 97. If we change the parameter first and last, if you, I change the first number like 0. So again run. You can see it will start from 0. It will ignore 0 and 1, and from the 2 it is printing I is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, like that, and I is equal to 97 is the last. So I am taking one example. Let I is equal to 11 for checking. So first it will go inside, and if block is checking I double is equal to 2, it is not true, so it will go in else part. And in else part, j start with 2 and j is less than 11, I is equal to 11. Mm, j and increment by 1. So for loop is begin here. If I means 11 percentage means 11 mod j double is equal to 0. So uh, 11 mod 2, 11 mod 3, 11 mod 4, like that it will go, but it will not will be 0 means 11 mod 2 3, it is not divisible by any number, so it will not disable this begin and end, begin till end. So at the condition when j plus 1 means when it is less than uh, when it is less than I means at the iteration of 10, it will equal to 10 plus 1, 11 equal to 11. So it means it comes at the last. So at the last it will print the 11 value, and comes out from this for loop. uh, and again it goes go for the for loop. And if you take the mm, I is equal to 10 example, so first it will take it will check for the condition I is double is equal to 2. It is not 2, it is 10. So it will skip the if part. It goes to else part. In else part, uh, it is a named block, state block. So j will state 2 to uh, less than 10 means 2 to 9. So first 10 mod 2 double is equal to 0. Yes, it is true. 10 mod j is, double is equal to true. So it will disable the state. State means this begin to this end, it will disable. So if it is disabled, so it will go directly for the next station, and it become I is equal to 11, and again it will check for the 11, and it will skip for the 10. Like that it will generating the prime number. I think you will understand very well. If you understand, please like this video and share with friend. Thank you.